goal here is to at least to achieve something by the end of 2025. We can organize a Zoom meeting and help you set up all these accounts depending on your goal and your need. Hello everyone, welcome back to Japesh Financial Solutions. My name is Jen Gitiche, your investment buddy. If you're new here, every Friday we always have Financial Friday, so subscribe to our channel for more insights regarding financial literacy. And if you know that you may have someone that wants to achieve their financial freedom, please share this video as much as you can. Today I want us to talk about a new challenge that Japesh has come up with. It's an investment challenge, and it has been categorized into 5 categories. Why we are doing this challenge is because last year so many people asked me whether we have an ongoing challenge, and we started midway through with a few people. So this year I want us to start all of us together and do this challenge. We have categorized this challenge into 5 groups: bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and diamond. Why we have categorized this challenge is because all of us are in terms of our finances, and in terms of our needs, and in terms of our goals, we are all different, and there is one who has achieved what is your most admirable goal. So in that case, if that one has achieved, they can go to the other one. So for those who are in the category of bronze, I call this the beginners, or rather someone who wants to start investing and putting aside their money. For this group, this is someone who can be able to save between 5,000 to around 9,000. The goal here is to achieve the 6-figure number, 100,000, that is. So if you want to first at least get to 100,000 by December, you need to start putting aside between that amount, between 5,000 to 9,000. So depending on your capability, let's do this. And your category is bronze. If you have already started doing investments, putting aside putting aside some money, you can join the category of silver. This is, you can save between an amount of 35,000 to 45,000. The goal here is to achieve 500,000 by December. Remember, this challenge runs all the way to December 2025, and it has a discipline of consistency in terms of monthly savings. So you can join silver. Remember, silver is between 35,000 to 45,000, and the aim here is to achieve the 500,000 mark by December. Or if you have been investing, you can now join the gold category. This is where millionaires are. If you have been longing to join the million club, or millionaire, or rather call yourself I am a millionaire, or make your first million, this is the category that you need to focus on. And this category aims at you investing between 75,000 to 85,000 per month. And when you do that by December 2025, you'll have hit the million club. Then the other one is platinum. Platinum, these are people who are used to invest, but now this time let's have the consistency and invest between 200 to 220,000 per month, and in order to achieve 2.5 million by the end of 2025. And the final group is diamond. These are that you know yourself, you're there, and you have the consistency of investing, but now I'm making a challenge to you. Let's start doing a monthly investment in order to call ourselves, or rather in order to maximize your wealth and continue creating wealth. Join the challenge. For diamond, you need to save between 400 to 420,000. Our goal is to achieve 5 million by the end of December 2025. So those are the categories of our challenge. Join any group that you think is best suited, and we will help you and guide you in advising you on where to invest this amount of money, because it all depends with our risk tolerance. But majorly I would want us to focus on accounts that are that have very low risk, like money market account, fixed deposit for those people who wouldn't want to easily withdraw their money. We can fix it between 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year. We can do a balanced fund for those people who have a little bit of high risk, and they can be able to manage their acceptance in terms of however the investment goes. But my advice to you all is, come, let's start this challenge together. I will guide you, I will advise you to set up these accounts for free, depending on where you are, be it you're in diaspora, be it you're in Marsabit. We don't have to have a physical meeting for you to set up these accounts. And I work with different partners. The companies that I work with are on the description below, so it all depends with your needs, with your goal. Let us do this together, and December 2025, I know we will all go home smiling. I'm counting on that. You're in Australia, you're in UK, you're in US, and you want to invest back home, please join a category of this challenge, and let's save that money. For those of us who are in the country, be it Lodwar, Kisumu, Mombasa, you don't have to get worried about us meeting physically. We can organize a Zoom meeting and help you set up all these accounts depending on your goal and your need. The goal here is to at least to achieve something by the end of 2025. And like I said, we help people set up all these accounts for free. No consultation fee is required. If you're in East Africa or Africa generally, and you will also want to join our challenge, please do so. Just send us an email or a DM or a WhatsApp message, and we will get back to you on how to go about it. Thank you so much. I am looking forward to us doing business and for us to achieving our goals set for the year, and for you to joining this challenge.